Hi students, how are you? After a long back, once again we have met. Due to this lockdown, we are separated. But as government has announced SSC, your 10th class public examinations from 10th July onwards, I want to have a normal talk with you. That's all. Okay, don't feel it's a class. It's not a class. Anyhow, actually combine the sentences is very important. It's a big ocean, very big ocean. First of all, yesterday I missed to attend my friend's birthday party. He called me and he said, if you had attended to my birthday party, you would have got a beautiful cake. You missed it. And I said, had I come to your birthday party, I would have missed the video making for our students. And he said, Are really? If you had come to my birthday party, you would have missed this video for your students. Okay, whatever is done well. So here, if is a relative pronoun. So a relative pronoun combines two clauses to make more meaningful sentence. నువ్వు నా బర్త్డే పార్టీకి రాలేదు, మంచి బర్త్డే కేక్ మిస్ అయ్యావు అనే కన్నా అరే నువ్వు నా బర్త్డే పార్టీకి వచ్చి ఉండుంటే కేక్ మిస్ అయ్యి ఉండేవాడు కాదు అనేది మోర్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్. ద సేమ్ వే హ్యాడ్ విత్ V3 అండ్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఈ నాలుగు కంపల్సరీ ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, యూ డిడ్ నాట్ కమ్ టు మై బర్త్డే పార్టీ, సో యూ మిస్ ద కేక్. దాన్ని ఇఫ్ క్లాజ్ లో అయితే హ్యాడ్ తో మనం మొదలు పెడతాం. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యాడ్ కమ్ టు మై బర్త్డే పార్టీ, తర్వాత వుడ్ హ్యావ్ తో ఉంటుంది. వుడ్ హ్యావ్ తో యూ వుడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ మిస్ ద కేక్ ఆర్ యూ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ గాట్ అ స్వీట్ కేక్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. So this is the way. Yesterday our student, one of our 10th class students, Zahira, she sent through SMS to my WhatsApp number. Zahira sent two sentences to combine with who, the relative noun. I met a great teacher, full stop. He received the best teacher award. It's very simple. నేను ఒక గొప్ప ఉపాధ్యాయుని కలుసుకున్నాను. ఆయన ఒక ఉత్తమ ఉపాధ్యాయ అవార్డు తీసుకున్నారు, ఒక ఉత్తమ ఉపాధ్యాయ బహుమతి తీసుకున్నారు. దట్స్ ఆల్. ఐ మెట్ అ గ్రేట్ టీచర్ హూ రిసీవ్డ్ ద బెస్ట్ టీచర్ అవార్డ్. సో ఇక్కడ హీ ఈస్ హూ పెట్టడమే, వెరీ ఈజీ. అదే హీఈస్ అ గ్రేట్ టీచర్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్, హీ రిసీవ్డ్ అ బెస్ట్ టీచర్ అవార్డ్ అని చెప్పితే అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చెప్పాలంటే హీ హూ రిసీవ్డ్ అ బెస్ట్ టీచర్ అవార్డ్ ఈస్ అ గ్రేట్ టీచర్ అని మారుతుంది అక్కడ. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్, Zahira. Another doubt she sent, like, it wasn't a good thing, full stop, it was a great mistake. So these sentences should be combined with on the contrary. So here on the contrary words are there, especially we have to use one word, that is but. Sometimes he may not combine these two sentences with but. He just says you have to combine these two sentences on the contrary antarante. You have to understand that, like you have to use but there. So that's very easy. It wasn't a good thing, but full stop is but pedam. It was a great mistake. That's all. Zahira asked about another one also, like to change active voice into passive voice. She sent one example, like Gopal requested police to take action on the eve teasers. Here it's a big sentence. You may get confused first how to change the voice. To change the voice, first you have to identify the subject, the verb and object. Here, in this lengthy sentence, first you take the first three ones, like here subject is Gopal, verb is requested, object is police. So, Gopal requested the police. This is the sentence. Remaining everything is the extra one, the extra additional one, like to take action upon eve teasers or to arrest the eve teasers or something. All these things are extra ones. Now you take these three into your consideration and don't take those three into your consideration. So here Gopal requested the police. Just reverse it in passive voice. So active voice is this. Gopal requested in subject, verb and object, active voice, and reverse this to make it a passive voice, like the police comes forward and Gopal goes backward. And now the police, and now as requested is a verb in simple past tense, you have to adapt was here, an auxiliary verb, like the police was requested by Gopal. Now you bring that additional one and add to this clause, like the police was requested by Gopal to take action upon the eve teasers. That's all. Is it clear? I repeat, the police was requested by Gopal to take action upon e-teasers. Is it clear? The same way, I'll give you another example now. The Prime Minister announced a package to uplift the financial status of India. It's a very lengthy sentence, but we have to take into your consideration only the subject, verb and object, like Prime Minister announced a special package, and remaining all is an extra thing like to uplift the financial status of India. Okay, now let us see. Prime Minister is a subject, announce is a verb, and a special package is an object. And now you have to bring this special package forward and the Prime Minister into that place. So now the right answer is a special package was announced by our Prime Minister to uplift the financial status of our India. And now I'll give you a task for tomorrow. Right? Are you ready? You take down, or you can pause the video, and wherever you get doubt, whenever you want to repeat or listen again and again, you can pause it and repeat a video. And now you can pause and listen to my homework, my task, and write down in your notes. Take down, note down, and you can text me, you can message me by message or WhatsApp to my WhatsApp number, and then I'll respond to you, right? Well, the task is you have to combine two sentences with who. Nick Vujicic is a torso, full stop. He lives in Los Angeles now. You have to combine these two sentences with who. Okay, get ready. Another task on active voice into passive voice. Our English teacher gave me a task in the preparation for 10th class examinations that will be held 10th July onwards. Okay, this is the task. Get it, answer it, and send it to my WhatsApp. Bye.